Welcome dear students in your chemistry class. Dear students, today we are going to differentiate between true solution, colloidal solution and suspension. So the chemical required for this practicals are starch for the colloidal solution, salt for the true solution and chalk powder for the suspension. The basic procedure of this experiment is take a colloidal solution in water in a test tube, a true solution of sugar in water, and second in a test tube, and suspension solution of fine sand or chalk powder in the third test tube, as you can see here. We have three test tubes in which one we have true solution with salt, second we have colloidal solution with starch, and third we have suspension with chalk powder. So as you can see here, now we are going to differentiate between colloidal solution, true solution and suspension on the basis of transparency. For colloidal solution, it is translucent as you can see here. For true solution, it is transparent. And for suspension, the lower part is opaque and the upper part is transparent. Now, on the basis of filtration, we are going to differentiate between colloidal solution, true solution and suspension. First, we are taking the true solution, the filter paper, as you can see here, in the true solution, all the solution part is in the test tube and there is no residue in the filter paper. Second, we are taking colloidal solution. See here, the filtrate is transparent and the residue is left on the filter paper. This is the residue on the filter paper. This is the residue. And third, we have suspension. Fine sand particle or chalk powder is obtained on the residue on filter paper. As you can see here, these are the chalk fine particles on the filtration. So through this experiment, we have differentiate between colloidal solution, true solution and suspension on the basis of transparency and filtration. Thank you so much.